So I said that I would do a video on how I had to hook up my particular camera. So this is a converter. It converts 12 volts to 6 volts. So I tied it into the, I'll see if I can pull that wire out, not the antenna, the accessory wire, which is 12 volt, and it is, it turns on when the radio is on. So, and I tie that into the power. The yellow wire out is 6 volts. I bought this on Amazon. Let's see if you can see that. I'll change it so you can. Alright. That wasn't very expensive. And then I just tied it into the ground, and I tied the ground into the ground, and I soldered it, but used electrical tape to cover it, but it's just connected to the ground that was on this particular piece. The power wire and the ground wire to the 6 volt camera, and it works flawlessly. So I am not plugged into, let me see if I can get that out. Reverse, see, I don't have that. That's just, I just covered it up because it is hooked up into the 28 pin wire. And it's this one right here. Oh, well, can you see that? That wire right there. I do believe. Is it? Yeah, because it's separate from the whole thing. Anyways, this goes into the, and it's spliced into the reverse wire down by the fuse box, and I'll get that. But let's see if you can. All right, I pulled that out because I want to show you exactly which pin. If you look, I just forced that in there when I put in. It's the second pin facing it from the back would be the second pin on the top row, 2 pins over from the right. And it's this one right here. And I don't know if anybody's taken this off. It's not terribly hard to get to. I'm gonna try to use my plastic popper on it. I might have to do this without. Anyways, you pop that out and then you pull this piece, and that gives you access to the stuff behind here. I got it popped. Needed 2 hands to do that. Okay, pull that out. And feed it, and that's underneath that piece there. Anyways, it comes out. Oh, I think it's actually snapped too. All right, let's see if we can find that piece. All right, you see how right there I have it spliced in. I remember right, it's the 5th one down. It's a pink wire, and I just spliced into that, and that's the reverse wire. And so that's how the 6 volt is set up. But yeah, that's the wire that you splice into to turn on reverse for the 6 volt. Now I don't think this is going to work for the 12 volt, but it is how it works. Well, you might need that for the 12 volt too, but that is the reverse wire. Let's see if we can get it in just a little bit closer. Yeah. 5th one down from the top on the left-hand side, that wire right there is what I have my reverse wire spliced into, and it's runs up behind the dash, and it's that wire that I showed you is into the 28 pin wire, and it works properly. Also wanted to talk about how I was driving the other day and the radio just popped out because I was accelerating. These clips, the fitment is okay. I know there are other people that say, oh, it fits great. Yeah, but eventually it didn't pop out. The fitment is not perfect. This one in particular doesn't seem to snap in very well, and I'm trying to figure out why. But yeah, I've had trouble. It's super easy to pop out, and yeah. No, the funniest thing is, I just put it in, and can you see that? It's not really the best fit, but I actually got it to lock in. So, but I still think maybe some kind of screw into the plastic to hold it in place, just to make sure that it is not going to pop out later. But I actually got it in place this time.